Today I'll be covering the distance formula. The distance formula is a formula used to find the distance between 2 points on a line segment. The distance formula is derived from the Pythagorean theorem, c squared equals a squared plus b squared, as shown right here. The distance formula can be derived using a triangle, saying that C is this segment here, this point is A1, Y1, and this point is X2, Y2. So knowing our Pythagorean theorem that a squared plus b squared equals c squared, we just have to find the length of this segment and this segment. So the length of this segment here is just y1 minus y2 minus y1. So it's y2 minus y1. And this here is x2 minus x1. So we can just plug this straight into our Pythagorean theorem. C squared equals a squared plus b squared. So then, to find c, you'd have to just square root both sides of the equation. So c would equal square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So this gives you your distance formula, as c is the distance between this point here and that point here. So here is an example of how to use the distance formula. So knowing A is at point 2, 3, and B is at 9, 9, we have to find the distance of segment AB. So knowing our distance formula, this would just be the segment AB would be equal to C. So we just have to plug in x1, x2, and y2 and y1 into our formula. So AB equals square root of 9 minus 2 squared plus 9 minus 3 squared. So let me just simplify this and get 7 squared plus 6 squared square root of 49 plus 36, or AB equals the square root of 85. So using our distance formula, we found out that AB is equal to the square root of 85. So that's how you derive and use the distance formula to find the distance between 2 points. Thanks for watching the video.